This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, a bit planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? We're still at the expo and I'm just going to show you guys Xpeng X9. It's available in Thailand but not in Europe yet. Well, at least I'll show you what's available here. So it's a big minivan, just like other minivans we've seen, but at least this is from Xpeng. So we have, oh, is that perfume? USB-A, USB-C, 12 outlet, the bridge design, wireless charging pad here, not that big center console here, big screen there. Wow, these seats, wow, look at this, huh? Zero gravity, plenty of options here. Okay, let me try to sit in here. Wow, look at that, you can adjust here. We have, of course, a humongous screen. How do you take the screen down here? It seems to be a screen here. We can probably just watch a movie there also. But plenty of space here. 50 watt max on the charging here. Wow. Huh? Xpeng X9. Why don't we get this in Norway? Look here, look here. If we close it here. But even though it's a van, right? You can open. Wait, that's weird. Why cannot? I think it's locked. We have buttons here to open. Okay, but at least you should be able to open the window. You see here, that one is down. But you have this. Yeah, plenty of leg room. Look at the third row. Wow. Hey, do you want to take up the headrest? Huh? Okay. Whoa, it can go quite far. What the heck, man? Look at that, you can adjust the headrest from here. Look at this. This is massive comfort. You can, I lay down like this. Huh? Look at that. And then we have this roof here. All right, massive back, X9. And the trunk with the third row folded. We have 3 seats in the third row. We have massive space also in the back. I don't think I have enough banana boxes. We have 12 watt outlet here. Seems to be a subwoofer there. Wow, huh? Look at this. Oh, okay, a little bit space there, but plenty of space here. And here, in the driver's seat. Yeah, okay, this is weird. We are actually sitting on the right side. It's not ported for the Thai market yet. Oh, yeah, no manual adjustment there. Fairly big screen. Okay, there's some stuff going on here. Yeah, whatever. We are exiting there. Wow. Okay, instrument cluster here. Okay, and then, huh? Oh, it's air vent here. And then this is the way you know the Xpeng steering wheel. Also plenty of headroom here. There you guys have it. The X9. Yeah, big minivan. Huh? You like it? You wanted to come to Europe? Tell Xpeng then. That's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.